kufungua rasmi makao makuu yake.
Chama ya kisiasa ama chama ya nini?
Cha kisiasa. Giki ikoretwo ndafu.
Giki kia Eugene Wamalwa.
Yes.
Gitagwo DAPK.
Ito rĩu wika tarĩ ndafu.
Yandĩkĩtwo nĩ ona tarĩ ndafu. Waumana igongona rĩa kũrugũria headquarters kũrĩa Kereni ũmũthĩ.
Yes. Na headquarters Kereni. Of course, Wamunyoro was in the house.
Ndaigua rũria
Naona Stephen Kalonzo Musyoka. Kiama munene wake nĩ wa Marua. Eugene.
He's the face of the party.
He's the face. Kitambo alikuwa wa Ford.
Ford
Kenya. Ndari Ford Kenya.
Yangagae ndiari Ford Kenya.
Yes.
Akiuma. Rĩu akona nĩwe party leader wa DAP Kenya.
Yes. Na vyama viko. Ciama nĩ ciaingĩhire gũkũ bũrũri-inĩ. Yele kwa ina kĩmwe na igĩrĩ tu.
Inchi ni huru.
Yes.
Vyama vingi vya kisiasa.
And you will not need a lot of research. Kumenya democracy is always elusive this side of the Sahara. Ciama ciothe no mwaka ciĩkĩrwo kiugo democracy.
No nginya ĩkorwo na D.
Yes.
D for democracy.
Yes. No tukathutha ũyũ naming ya ciama ti creative ta tene. Isn't it the time there was KANU? There was KAU. Yes. And there was KPU.
KANU nĩko gakorapsirwo gakĩmerio nĩ KANU.
KANU. Kwarĩ KANU. KANU. KAU. Na KPU. Yes. KPU nĩ yarĩ ya Jaramogi.
KPU nĩ ya baadaye.
Nĩ yarĩ ODM hĩndĩ.
Kwagĩa na fallout KANU rĩ.
Yes.
Nĩho KPU yabomeirwo.
Yeto KPU Dume. Nikuongerera ũrĩa mũgathĩ
akĩrĩkagia.
Anasema KPU Dume. Kumagia rĩu hau rĩ, ici gĩcikia creativity tondũ rĩu nona moya oretwa KANU magacenjia matuĩka KANDU. Yes. Matuĩka KAU. Yes. And then of course gĩcoka ikĩmerio ciothe ũkĩgĩa watho wa KANU nĩkĩo
kĩama ti kũmerio. They were forced to shut.
Yes. Meirwo kũnjai kĩba.
Kũnjai kĩba rĩ.
Yes. Ya ũgĩtigana kĩama gĩetagwo the National Party.
One and the only.
Kenya African National
Union.
Yes.
So mouth over.
Yes, it was a mouthful. It was actually in some of our pledges. People would pay allegiance to KANU like they're paying to the government.
The country, yeah.
Yes. Never mind, KANU is the oldest party we have around because it's still there.
Kĩrĩ kuo.
KANU Secretary General akĩondu.
The last time I checked anga yarĩ Nick Sarati anga agĩcoka akĩenyera.
Ĩrĩa wire ndani.
Ulizo umetumwa na nani?
Gideon is who in KANU?
Gideon was a party leader.
Yes. Chama cha KANU. Cha baba na mama. Never mind, every party pays some allegiance and trail to KANU. Yes.
Mũndũ ũrĩa ũtũraga gũkũ the self-proclaimed life member.
Yes.
Is Francis Atwoli.
Francis Atwoli is a life member of KANU. Na kwende kweretwo kugeria kwenyenyia KANU ri. Nita kwenyenyia mũgumo. We okwenyenya
siria mũgumo aina
na Emilio nake kuga kugeria kurenga KANU ri eta kurenga mũgumo na kanyo. Yes.
Never mind iria nyenyo na ika.
It was trounced. Yes, it was annihilated.
And sent to history.
Kuma how, of course, after the repealing of the Section 2E, hire multi-party, Nori hajire okasi yamata Ford. There was a little creativity.
Ford.
The Forum for Restoration of Democracy. It even sounded like a movement. You would see.
No, Ford was a serious movement.
The liberation in it was from the name. Forum of Restoration of Democracy. Ekishoka niwegia tukana ekigia Fordi asiri. Na kwe mira etagwo asili.
Ford Asili na
Ford Kenya.
Ford Kenya.
Ucoka ukigia Ford Pepe. Ford people sorry.
Ford people no atongoragio ni Nyachae.
Nyachae. Simeon Nyachae. Ford people. Watu wengi sana. Very pedestrian slogan. For the people. Watu wengi sana. Because the Ford Asili, then led by Kenneth Stanley Jindo Matiba, was a force to reckon with.
90s.
And they had a slogan, let the people decide. Yes.
Yeah, no, that one was a serious one.
That was a serious one. Even Chama Chata.
Chama Chata ni gani?
DP. I don't think they have they changed the logo?
I'm not sure, but DP is still around.
Yes. DP.
I
think it was Umoja na Haki. Yes. Of course, Gwakire the peak. Kama kila kiare kiaro ni Mwau. Party of Independent Candidates of Kenya. Sounded very American. Itia yoki.
Masaya ngiro kiare kireko. SDP. Social
Democratic Party.
That was a bit creative.
It was a bit creative. Uicoka utuyuka riu haha guthina ruhuho. Ruhuho ruonekana tukarutua
kiama.
Yes. Uyuka chungwa makianjia
orange.
Yes. Uyuka waipa.
Waipa.
Nipatie waipa. Waipa. I think that is when we were away off the revolution. We became comfortable. To employ creativity.
No, Wiper actually iroha because originally they are Wiper.
It was not Wiper.
It
was ODMK.
Yeah, ODMK. Yes.
ODMK.
And that was the original ODM.
That was the original.
Yes.
And so the ODM ya baba.
After they split.
Yes.
2007.
Yes.
So baba went to ODM.
Yes.
Kalonzo retained ODMK.
Yes.
Na ndio acokire gutuika Wiper.
Na ODMK yari ona icungwa.
I don't remember the logo ya RK, but they split.
I think hali icungwa ria ina tumahuti na heri tari.
Rede ria tumahuti aganirio ria baba.
Yes.
Kalonzo akiona ni maragucaniria.
Agora kabadimu.
Wacha nikuachie.
Of course, Raila is the master of reinvention. Akienda Kanu, kwarema, akigeria kurũĩrĩra kĩama kĩrĩa kĩarĩ kĩa mzee wake. Gĩetagwo nĩ Ford Kenya.
Ford Kenya.
Yes. Agĩkurumanio kũu. Agĩthondeka gĩake kĩa NDP. Yes.
Nĩkĩo kĩarĩ gĩa tinga. Agĩcoka NDP yakwa nĩguo athondekire ODM. After NDP mari na riri ikimagine Kanu.
Yes.
Matuko ma marigiririo ma Kanu.
NDP ni njogo ya meririe kiragita
bakiingira nak tu
niguo anjirie kuina rwimbo rwa Kasarani siendi tena kuna kisirani mingi tondu kiama yake gĩathĩnjĩirwo
gathara-inĩ
nĩguo gĩacurĩirio
gĩathimirwo kĩmandi.
Yes.
Bakiingira LDP.
Yes. Liberal Democratic Party.
They gave Kibaki a headache.
Yeah, a big headache. Big one.
Akawatuma msituni.
Because Kibaki went into the presidency with, was it NAC?
Yes, NAC.
Yes. And then after that, NAC ikapotea fashion. He went with the PNU.
That is 207.
PNU is the Mbas party.
No, PNU yari kazi iendelee.
Yes. Ino ya Mbas yari iriku.
Mbas ni ya Kiraito.
Ilikuwa inaitwa aje hiyo chama?
What is it?
Sio hiyo PNU.
Asha.
Tondu kazi iendelee. Yes. And there was Mwenge. Mwenge yari Rainbow. The National Rainbow Coalition. Coalition. It was alliance, coalition.
National Rainbow
Yari NAC.
NAC.
Nigetha mathakarwa nake ahachie NAC
Kenya.
Yes. No. It's actually the same forest. Just a variety of.
Actually, kono notice kuma haria tuoka tutarite.
Yes.
Kuma 1982.
Yes.
The names have not changed a lot.
No, they haven't. They remarkably haven't.
Ciama, I'm
telling you, the same forest, just different wildlife. Here and there. Oh, na, you know, the question, ciama, kieta oka odo, tauta usawa. Yes. Kieta usawa, ya bere de yene ciama ke kuri atagani. Kala Zanzibar.
Until you land.
Yes, it is right at the footprint of my rural area.
You made a logo.
Ati abiri bodi sera yake iti akeli dia keno.
Ando batia gorire jao.
Na utothie kahora tondu wairi ahota guthikuruga mahari ugo mundu na ngingo ya njombe background. Andu acio ni merwo. Na ni amuranga. Ndiraiguire. Kameme-inĩ kau kao. Na rĩo gũkũ mangai. Maitha gongo. Atĩ gĩtikĩraga keno. Andũ fraudulent. Omwe wa yo. Cokia ngamioro. Nĩ atue macani. Leo kuna DAPK. Yes.
Na kuringana na mothio maria ndona kirugurio kiu kia headquarters cia DAP.
Yes.
Seems as this is a coalition that is forming.
Yes.
Kuna Kalonzo.
All indicators are it could be a coalition because I have seen, of course, very glaringly it's Wamunyoro. Yes.
Kuna Kalonzo.
Yeah.
Of course, Eugene Wamalwa, the party leader.
Eugene Wamalwa.
Dona Senator Onyonka.
Yes.
Kisi.
Yeni.
Oyo gino we na igoti ria mathikoya.
Wena mathikoya no.
No wanyo. Tata wanyo nyikanya tata watea.
Timu Wanyonyi ni huyo hapa West.
Hapana Wanyonyi anaitwaje hizi from Western.
I think it's also a Wanyonyi.
And the former UDA Secretary General.
Yes.
Kilio Malala.
Kilio Paula alikembesangwa na Subaru.
Kilio farake ni enyera muno.
Kilio fani enyera. Will you hear more parties?
Reu gocio ni hana ta mungano reform we might not go far. You hear something.
You might hear something because as we stand, Siwa Munyoro is I think as a registered party person is still UDA.
He could have resigned or he could have been removed.
Yeah. From the I don't think they would still want him there.
And I think the latter is more likely.
He would not want to be there either way. So for now he's might be foraging for new
alliances.
Yes, new territory. And this might just be it. Yes.
Tuweterere tuone.
Kila kiambo gitagwo atia? Party. Wabebe, tubebe.
Tujibebe. Wabebe. Tujibebe.
Tujibebe. Ukoroshi nebo. Yes. So there is very many parties. There is many.
Akimenya riu twerekeire kimera kingi gia kombeini.
Yes.
Riu
ithuĩ jaikĩrĩ tũbatiĩ tũmenye ũrĩa kĩama gĩtuagwo kĩa ũteti. Tũngĩrũgamia andũ onoko ithuĩ tũtikũrũgama-rĩ, tũtikwaga kanyamũ.
Driving force ya kiama o gĩothe gĩa siasa is a party leader.
Yes.
So if you are not you are the party leader and you are not aspiring for a big office, the party might not achieve much.
Ũrĩa kĩhea andũ kĩama na ndarũgama gĩtĩ kĩnene. Tip. Karebe.
Where is it today?
Okay. Kana ũkĩrũgama. Nĩ mũkũnyita mbaru. Mundu ucio urarugama mathioya. Siasa. Mimi kwa saa hii staki. Ai, vipi hapana hiyo.
No mundu ekamaga keri. Ndana utari.
Ndana ta ona Filipo kuma gwekia mama kona kio. Filipo
uri omo.
Oyo mwe kimunyu wa nyamu. Ane mahitukirie MC omwe.
That MCA should be the party leader.
No, he is the party.
He is elected.
Sometimes you need a briefcase party. The Maru wa what do you call this? What wa nomination you karuga kingi.
Party hopping.
Odo cio gana warugamirio.
No akirirwo kikwazo ne watho.
No, the independent. Yes. Atwajira ito JKA.
Tiga no horo ucio.
JKA rero ni rero.
Rero yo ni ngituguithia.
JKA cioboke.
Cithie ku.
Aga ritho tungiobokio.
Ithuĩ tũngĩombũkio.
JKA ciandamane.
Atugite ciandamane party.
He's already retrogressive on the face. JKA mariru.
Gĩtingĩona gĩtĩ.
JKA miji. Miji nĩ ahinyirio.
Nĩ kiuma.
Ile sana takwa mũrahe mũndũ tondũ nĩ aita miji. Na wabici yake kwĩna mbica yake na ciana ciake ciĩna waya magego. Wacha wanasiasa
afanye kazi yao.
JKA ibaki vile.
Iko ima.
Yes.
Iko bila